Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about Ryzen Master driver not installed properly on Windows PC. Let's solve this. Go to search menu, type in Reddit REGE registry editor, run as administrator. Yes. Go to files, export, here all save. Okay. Go to H key local machine, system, control set 001, services, here AMD Ryzen Master driver, here this file, delete this, yes, okay, that file has been deleted. Okay, get this. Now you need to download latest version of Ryzen Master driver and this problem will solved. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.